mi torí pé mi ò kó ẹrù.
Tí ń gbọ́ àti ẹfẹ́ bọ́ sọ̀rọ̀.
Mo fẹ́ ní kí wọ́n lọ sí èsì mọ́ọ̀mù sí mi. Èmi dúró sí mọ́ọ̀mù ní ọkàn kan àti inú kan àti òdodo.
Mọ́mì.
Tí ọlọ́dà mi máa dá fún gbogbo wọn.
Mọ́mì.
Gbogbo àwọn tó ṣètò fún mi.
Hold on.
Wọ́n máa gba ẹgbẹ́ wọn padà.
Mama.
Torí mọ́ọ̀mù tí mi sí wàhálà báyìí torí pé mo dúró sí mo ti kábàámọ̀ pé mo dúró sí.
Mọ́mì.
Kíkú wa lọ bá jò sí go bẹ́ta.
Mọ́mì.
Kú ẹrù mọ́ọ̀mù ọmọ sọ pé wọ́n ti kó gbogbo ẹrù lé. Mọ́ọ̀mù wà mí ò sí lẹ́ngbọ̀n gbà tó wá kú ẹrù. Wọ́n dá owó fún ọmọ yẹn tó fi gbalé ni. Wọ́n dá owó fún ẹnìkan ló fọmọ yẹn lówó tí mo fi owó kú tó fi gbalé. Mi ò sí lẹ́mọ̀ ń pe àdúrà.
My country people wahala be like bicycle. Wetin dey happen? E be like say this Mohbad spirit dey really strong. Oh my man, no one rest. Cause why so much confusion in the family of Mohbad? E get some kind people when they kpai untimely like that, like they will not rest till they revenge their this thing. You understand? Cause I don't understand why Wunmi and her mother-in-law, wey used to be friends before, don't they do kitty kataka? The woman don't come out. Allegedly, they talk say Wunmi don't carry all Mohbad property behind her back. That she stood by her all this while when Mohbad papa and everybody they attack her. E reach the time where Wunmi go dey for her back as well, and so Wunmi come betray her, go say every property wey Mohbad get for her back. She come dey shout, dey cry. And na so this same Wunmi sister come out begin dey cry to the general public say Wunmi hand allegedly no dey clean no for wetin kpai Mohbad. Wetin be this? Who go come believe?